I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another video. Alright? Now, for this particular video, we're going to discuss slides. Okay? I normally come in here and we talk sneakers and all different variations of shoes and companies who make shoes and all that kind of stuff. But today I wanted to talk about slides. Before yesterday, I only owned 2 pairs of slides. Alright, and those 2 pairs are these. These are the Adidas Boost slides. Alright, there's some regular black Adidas Boost slides. Alright, and the other pair that I have are these orange and blue LeBron slides. Alright, I've had these for years. These are the first pair of slides that I ever got. I've had them for years. Alright, so before yesterday, those were the 2 slides that I ever owned. Alright, I don't wear slides very often. Every now and again I might slide them on to run to the store or something if I don't feel like grabbing one of the many pairs of shoes that I have. But not too often do I wear slides, alright? But I kept seeing advertisements for new slides on Nike.com. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get this pair. There was like 3 that I kept seeing that I kind of wanted. One was for the Cincinnati Reds. I'm a Cincinnati Reds fan. Another was for the University of Kentucky, of course. You know, I'm a Kentucky fan. And then the other was for the Carolina Panthers. Okay, so this is the one that I got, and I've already tried the shoes on. I already have them on the side here, but they come in this box, very small Nike box. All right, and then they open up here in the front. Boom, you open them up there. All right, but these are the Nike off-court slide Panthers. Alright, size 14, and these, I don't know what size and slides I should get, but I'm assuming that I should go with the 14, and from what I can feel, they feel about right. Okay, so size 14, colorway is black, anthracite, tidal, and blue. Alright, the retail on these bad boys is $35. Not too bad. To me, that's not too bad. That's actually pretty good. Not too bad. I've seen some slides sell for a lot more than that. So I feel like that's a pretty decent price, especially for a Nike slide and one that's a team slide. So let's go ahead and bring it in. But of course, you all know how I do it, even with slides, right here on Big Ralph TV. Not bad. Not bad. Left shoe first, baby. Ooh, yes sir, go Panthers. Go Panthers. Alright, now it's a slide. There's not very much to talk about here. It is a sandal. It is not very much. Let me bring the right one in. It is not very much here to talk about. Alright. There is some good cushioning. Good cushioning here. They are pretty comfortable. At least I say so. Boom. And then you have your Nike swoosh there. Nike swoosh on the back. And then on the back here, it does have that Revive foam. I don't know if you all can see that, but it says Revive foam, and you can definitely feel that. All right. Now, on the part that goes over your foot here, the cover, I will call it, it is nice and cushioned. It is nice and cushioned here. Very comfortable. It's a lot of cushioning there. Alright, so these are very comfortable. I have no complaints with these. I just got these yesterday, right before the NFL draft started. I was able to pick these up. Alright, so not bad. Not bad. These will definitely be added to my slide collection. Alright, upper contains synthetic leather is what it says on the sticker there. Upper contains the synthetic leather, and I'm assuming that will be where that blue is. Wherever you see the blue is that synthetic leather. Alright, now put these to the side. Moving into the second pair of slides that I received today. Actually, just got here. These are ones I just kind of took a shot at. They were available on the Adidas Confirmed app. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and hit the button. Sometimes I just play for sport on some releases. I play for sport and see what happens. Alright? And I actually got lucky. It took me a little bit. The Confirmed app was not letting me in. It kept denying my card. And then all of a sudden, boom, it let me in. Alright? So these are the ones that came from the Confirmed app. Boom. Slide. You're familiar with that box. If you know what kind of box this is, you know what these are. Alright? So, these are the Yeezy slide made by Adidas. Alright? Yeezy slide, size 14, of course. Colorway is pure. Alright? Yeezy slides. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and get into these. 2 for 1 in this video. Left. Slide. First, baby. Alright? Now these feel really lightweight. They look big and bulky. They look really big and bulky. But they are, man, super duper lightweight. Alright? But these are definitely a Yeezy. These are definitely a Yeezy. They are huge, tank-looking sandals. In comparison, say to these Ultra Boost or these, the Boost sandals, the Adidas Boost sandals. Look at the comparison. And you can hide the Boost one. Just get rid of that. Look at the difference. Alright? Just a huge. Look at the difference in size. Look at the difference in size. Let's bring in this LeBron. Here's the LeBron. Look at the difference in the size. This is a huge tank of a sandal. Alright? On the inside is the only locations where you'll find any labeling. There's a Adidas 3 stripes there. Your sticker is right there. Your sizing sticker is there on the side. And on the alternate side, up on the inside there, is where you will see your branding. It says Yeezy, made in China, size 14 US. You may not be able to see that there. It is on the inside to that side there. But that's the only branding. There's nothing on the bottom. These ridges are pretty cool. But yeah, not a lot of opening there. But they feel like they're good. Alright? Not bad at all on these. And these are fairly cheap. If you just wanted to get into the Yeezy world and say, oh man, I got some Yeezys. I got something from Yeezy. These are $55. They are definitely more expensive than anything else here. I think those LeBrons I got from Marshalls maybe for $15-$20. Like, they didn't cost me very much. These Boost ones, I think they were $30. And then these Panthers ones were $35. So these Yeezy ones, they are a little bit more expensive. $55. I don't personally think that's bad. But, I mean, I don't know. I don't wear slides all the time. But $55. And I would say the quality matches the price. There's sometimes I look at the Yeezys and I'm like, those should be $150, maybe $200 max. They shouldn't cost as much as they do. But these, I feel like they priced them right. Kanye and Adidas priced these right. Alright? But, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take all these bad boys on feet. Go Panthers. Alright, starting it off first with the Yeezy slides on feet. Alright? Very comfortable. Very comfortable. They feel like the Yeezy shoes as far as the comfort underneath your feet, like where the boost would be. They feel like that to me. They feel like that. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. I would say they're actually more comfortable than those Nike slides. But I do like Nike ones as well. Alright. Not much to show you. Boom. Boom. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Now let's go ahead and switch out and bring in the Carolina Panthers Nike slides. Alright, so boom, here we are. The Nike off-court slide Carolina Panthers. Alright, boom, slide them on. We're in there. Boom. Still comfortable on feet. Definitely can feel that foam underneath. Boom. Pretty much good for all day wear, I would say. Good for all day wear. For me, I would say to go up a size, a half size. These are all 14. I'm a true 13 and a half in shoes. So these are all a 14. And that fits best. That fits best. I'll give you a little bit of that coming at ya. These have designs on them. So coming at ya. Go Panthers. Go Panthers. Alright, now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it on both of these. Definitely very nice shoes. Very nice slides. Very nice slides, I will say. I'm not one that wears slides a lot, so I'm kind of trying something different. With that being said, I will not be keeping these. I'm going to send these to my brother. So I just wanted to try them out and see how they were, get them in hand. And he wasn't able to get them, and he will wear them more than I will. So I'm going to pack these back up and send these to my brother. All right? With that being said, these are staying. Go Panthers. All right? Keeping these bad boys. Already been rocking them around the house and everything. These are in. Okay? So, that's going to do it on these, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.